Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to do a walk-around, start-up and drive video for you on this 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Now, this car is a real super sport Chevelle, and it is a real 396 big block Chevelle. Not very many of these cars were produced. Gorgeous little car, has power steering and power brakes, has disc brakes on the front, has 3-inch exhaust on it. Now this is a really nice, clean, solid car. It appears it's had one repaint. It's by no means ever been a rotisserie restored car. It's been mechanically restored and cosmetically restored, but it has not been off the frame as far as we can tell. Sitting on a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels with BF Goodrich radial TA raised white leather tires. The chrome trim and bright work on the car is all in good shape. The glass in the car is all in good shape as well. You'll see a few little scuffs maybe on the glass, but nothing to be worried about. The interior in the car, it is a factory bucket seat car, factory center console. It is a black on black car, black paint and black interior as well. Padded dash pad, has the SS gauges. Does have a retro stereo in it. The door panels look to be all original on this car. The door jambs are in good shape. Looks like mostly original paint in the door jambs. Just a nice, clean, solid car. It's a factory bucket seats and console and very nice interior. It does have a couple little bubbles down here in the bottom corner of this door. Just 3 or 4 little small ones. And you'll see a couple little, it does have a couple little chips. It's got a chip in the paint right here that somebody touched up, and a little crack right here. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. It's a very nice driver quality car. Underneath the hood, you're going to find a 396 big block engine. As I mentioned before, power steering and power brakes. Aluminum Edelbrock intake. Has a Edelbrock carburetor on it as well. Aluminum radiator, your catch cans there, your GM glass bottle for your windshield washers is there, hood insulators. Just a nice, clean, solid black Chevelle. We'll fire it up here quick. runs down the road nice, drives nice. The tach works, the speedometer works, fuel gauge works. It's got a couple gauges down below here. The Stuart Warner gauges, the temperature gauge works, and the amp meter works as well. We'll go down here and turn around and come back. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. We'll head back to the shop here. Muscle car and a hard to find muscle car. 65 Chevelle Super Sport 396. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss this